Westermans here again, the new bit of stock which has just arrived, which is an LS 600 or an LS 24. This has been put in by Weldlogic. It's actually a Proarc seam welder, also under the brand of Weldlogic. So there's a Miller 210 single phase or multi-phase TIG fitted. Gas purge on the backing bar. Proarc's HMI control. Whole machine is actually single phase. Air supply, foot control, head setting device, which is air operated or pneumatic torch motion control. This machine is, like I say, just arrived. It will be cleaned and serviced and put up for sale, offered with 12 months warranty. We've been supplying this type of machine now for over 20 years in the Proarc range. Various options, TIG, plasma, or recently sub-arc. If you'd like more details, look on Westermans.com and request a price. Thank you for looking.